When we look at COSHH and RIDDOR, we can see that there are also some similarities in the legislations. For example, both of these acts are under the employer's responsibility. This means that the employer must give the correct training for all members of staff for COSHH, and also if the employer doesn't fill out a RIDDOR form, then they will be found negligent for what has happened. Both of these also require a risk assessment to be filled out afterwards. This can be in the form of, say, the RIDDOR form, and also when a chemical incident has happened, the person must fill out a risk assessment to ensure that all the correct procedures and measures have taken place. Even though RIDDOR doesn't include chemicals, it still requires the report about chemicals if it is involved in an incident. However, we can see a good example of poor COSHH at the Olympic diving pool. As we remember, the Olympic diving pool turned green due to the imbalance of chemicals and the lack of chlorine levels and the high amount of athletes that were using the pool. After this, it meant that the Olympic Committee would have had to have filled out a COSHH form and a RIDDOR form to ensure that this would never happen again whenever the pool is used.